What's going on, guys? So I finished up working in Blender and I imported my character creator file into Unity, and I made this little scene here with trees and grass. And in addition to that, I added a bit of an idle animation, and then I hooked up all the sliders from the colors to the different blend shapes that you see below, from brow height to neck size. So I'm just going to go through these real quick. So for skin, you click on the option for the skin, and then you can move the slider. You could also use like a randomizer on the skin to make whatever character you want. Really cool. And then for the hair, I made it so you could switch between the hairstyles that I've made so far. They're pretty basic, but I just wanted to test the functionality. I also made it so you can rotate the character. I want to make it so you could hold down the button, but I gotta figure that out soon. So you have the idle animation, the eyes. You can pick whatever color you want with the different saturation, so you aren't really a deep blue or like kind of a faded grayish blue. And then the brightness slider here to make some crazy looking things. You could also randomize any of the parts' colors. And then the same thing with the shirt. Change the brightness, dark green, let's say, or maybe black, green, randomize. You have some green, blue, yellow, purple, whatever. Pretty much anything that you could think you can create color-wise, you could do with these HSV sliders. So really cool with that. And then the same thing with the pants. Over here, I made like a back camera with a render texture with this like border frame, just so you could see the back of it. I gotta figure out a way to do this that's more polished once I get closer towards like the final release, which is a while way off. But that's the colors here. And then for the blend shapes, we have the brow height, brow spacing, thickness, the eye spacing, which is pretty cool, nose bridge angle, so you can see it from the side here, more square versus more rounded. We have nose bridge width, nose width. You got the nose height, nose tip, up or down, or the middle, nostril size, mouth height, mouth width, ear size, cheek size, angle of the jaw, chin width, chin length. And it's really cool to see with the idle animation active. And you can see the jaw angle could be really smooth or soft or kind of hard. And then the neck size. And then you could randomize it to make some crazy looking characters. So I'm really happy with this, and then eventually you could add your character's name and then confirm, and then you'll be starting the game. So I gotta hook that up as well and figure that out how to do that. So for next week, I want to learn how to, when you click, let's say eyes, shirt, pants, it should zoom in on that area. And I want to create some more animations for the character so he could start walking and things like that, along with the action editor, which I didn't do before. But really happy with the results here compared to what I did a few years ago. So definitely making some progress here. And I still am planning for a very basic alpha build by the end of this year. If anyone wants to test it, you could join the Discord. Okay, so that's it. Gonna figure out how to do the camera and then figure out how to do the rotation by holding down the button for next week, and then anything else I could accomplish. So that's it, and thanks for watching.